Making or acknowledging a complaint. Phrases to use when making a complaint. I'm sorry, but there appears to be a problem or issue with. I'm sorry to trouble you, but. I'm afraid there's been an issue with. I'm sorry to bother you, but I'd like to make a complaint. Acknowledging a complaint. When acknowledging a complaint, you can say, I'm sorry to hear that. Please accept our sincerest apologies for. We apologize for the inconvenience, or my apologies for. When responding to a complaint, you can say, unfortunately, this was due to. Unfortunately, this was unavoidable as. I'm glad you brought this to our attention. Please tell me exactly what the problem is. We will see what can be done. You can be assured this won't happen again. In the future, we will.